Hello, welcome. My name is Sarah from the Gravenhurst Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to access Hoopla's Bonus Borrows. For anyone not familiar with Hoopla, it is a free service with your library card that gives you access to ebooks, audiobooks, movies and TV, music, magazines, and comics. Each month, you can check out 5 titles in any format. However, there is a way for you to get more than 5 checkouts a month, and that is through Bonus Borrows. Quarterly, Hoopla releases a Bonus Borrows collection where any title in that collection won't count towards your monthly checkouts. That means you can borrow as many of them as you wish and still use your 5 checkouts on other items. For today, I'm going to walk you through a really quick tutorial to get you started on accessing Hoopla's Bonus Borrows. The easiest way to access the Bonus Borrows collection is to search by your preferred format. At the bottom here, we can tab between books and video. So if I tap books, I can choose between audiobooks, comics, and ebooks. Currently I'm on ebooks and I'm just going to tap audiobooks. If I scroll down, I can select genres and collections. From here, under featured collections, I can select Bonus Borrows all audiobooks, all titles, sci-fi and fantasy, or suspenseful tales. If I select all audiobooks, this is going to show me the Bonus Borrow collection that has only audiobooks. If I go back, I can also select collections that are under a certain theme. So if I pick Suspenseful Tales, this is going to show me all items in the Bonus Borrow collection that falls under Suspenseful. This will include audiobooks. If I go back, similarly, if I wanted to search up movies, I would select video. Currently under television, I'll just tab to movies. Scroll down and select genres and collections. And once again, I can see Bonus Borrows for May, all movies. And this will show me all of the movies I can borrow without using my credits. With that, you are ready to explore the bonus titles Hoopla has to offer. If you have any questions about Hoopla, you can always contact the library and we'd be happy to help you.